Hello, my name is Dr. Scott Pagano with Campbell Chiropractic, and today I want to show you how we do a lower cervical, upper thoracic adjustment to the spine. We utilize this type of adjustment typically for people who are having postural problems, people who have forward hunched postures, and we want to try to manipulate and get greater range of motion to the parts of the spine that are ultimately affected by poor posture. For this adjustment, you're going to be on your stomach, and it's actually a very, very easy, simple adjustment where we bring your head to one side, and then all of our force is actually going to be where I have on my hand on his mid-back. And simply with a little push, we're able to adjust those joints and help to relieve stress that's associated with poor